Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at the usage and review of the Feitain security key. This is the K9 model. It has a dual interface, so you can use a USB or you can use it with NFC right here. Okay, so if you want to improve your online account such as Google account, YouTube, Gmail, or Microsoft, and a lot of other different services, then you can use this security key to improve the protection of your account. Now, I keep hearing people say that they have lost control of their online account because someone somehow have guessed their username and password, or somehow they have gained access to their account, and then after that they managed to change the password and the recovery mobile phone number or the email address, and after that basically you lose control of your account. For example, YouTube accounts, lots of people lose access to YouTube accounts because somehow other people managed to guess the password. So with this hardware security key, once you have set up and register the key correctly, it will enhance your account security. Now this one here, this Feitain security key can be used with Windows, Linux, Mac OS on the PC, and with the NFC interface you can also use it with your mobile device. So it is a best companion device for your Android mobile phone or tablets. Now what is so cool about this key is that there is no limit to the number of accounts that you can register to this device. So let's say if you have hundreds and hundreds of online accounts that you want to register with this security key, you can actually using the special code on here, it will allow you to store as many accounts as you like. Inside the key, it is pre-installed with FIDO Universal Two-Factor Authentication. Now you can plug this device into a computer such as a Mac right here. So if I plug it right in, your computer should detect the key without you having to install any drivers. So it is driverless. You don't need to install any drivers on your computer. Your computer will simply recognize the security device. Okay, so let's take a look at an example. Here, if I want to sign into the online Google account, I first need to put in the username and password. After that, I need to verify a second step or two-step verification by using a security key. Because I have already enrolled with the security K9, so now all I have to do is I can use the NFC function. So I tap on that, and then I need to tap on the key at the back of the phone. Remember, you need to touch on this gold metal circle to verify it. So we're just going to tap it at the back like this. And it says checking info, and now you can see it has successfully verified the key, and that's it. So another way you can do it is on a computer. You can plug this USB-A into the computer, and then you just simply tap on the gold circle, and that will also allow you to verify yourself. Okay, so here I'm going to plug in the key into a computer. Now we need to tap on this go button, and as soon as I touch on the go button, you can see it said I have verified my security, and now I can go to the next step. Now there is a small hole right here that you can plug into your keyring, and however I would not recommend you put this together with your keys, because over time the keys can scratch the metal surface here and here, and it will cause the key not to be so effective, in case it might cause damage to the key. So because this is quite important to protect your account, and you really cannot afford to lose it or to damage the key. That's why I would not suggest you add them to your keyrings. Just put it somewhere safe, and when you need to use the key, you can pull it out. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. This key is I find it's quite useful to protect your account. It works well on a computer or on your mobile device. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.